Last class, exercise 1.3 up to 4 sums completed. Now I am going to fifth sum. A given A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. B given set of A, B, C, D. First one, give an example for neither 1 to 1 nor on 2. First one, neither 1 to 1 nor on 2. Neither 1 to 1 nor on 2. Both is not possible. Give an example. So, A can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4. B can take the values A, B, C, D. 1 is mapping from B, 2 is mapping from B, 3 is mapping from C, 4 is mapping from C. F. It is neither 1, 1 because 2 element is mapping from 1 element is neither 1, 1 nor on 2 because what is codomain? A, B, C, D. What is the range? B, C. They are not equal. It is not on 2. Second one. Give an example for not 1 to 1, not 1 to 1, but on 2. Not 1 to 1, but on 2. There is no example, not possible. Third one, 1 to 1, but not on 2. Not possible. Fourth one, 1 to 1 and on 2. One to 1 and on 2. A, B. A can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4. B can take the values A, B, C, D. 1 is mapping from A, 2 is mapping from B, 3 is mapping from C, 4 is mapping from D. It is 1, 1. What is codomain? A, B, C, D. What is the range? A, B, C, D. So it is an example for 1, 1 and on 2. Now I am going to sixth sum. Find the domain of 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x. Domain, the denominator become 0. domain, the denominator become 0. So the denominator is 1 minus 2 sin x equal to 0, plus 1 inside, minus 1, minus 2 sin x equal to minus 1, minus minus cancel, sin x equal to 1 by 2. Sin which angle from 1 by 2, since sin 30 1 by 2. 30, that is pi by 6, pi 180. 180 by 6, 30. So sin x equal to 1 by 2, replacing by sin pi by 6. Now trigonometry formula, sin theta equal to sin alpha. So theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n alpha. So third chapter only this formula studied. Now theta x alpha pi by 6 applied by the formula. So theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n alpha, alpha pi by 6 theta x. Now you write down the conclusion. Therefore domain equal to or minus final answer. What answer you will find out? N pi plus minus 1 the whole power n pi by 6. N belongs to Z. How will you write the conclusion? Domain equal to or minus final answer. I am going to seventh sum. F of x equal to square root of 4 minus x square by square root of x square minus 9. Numerator, denominator. Domain, the denominator become 0. Denominator square root of x square minus 9 equal to 0. Now root x 0, inside of the root x given, x becomes 0. Inside of the root, x square minus 9 equal to 0. Minus 9 inside, plus 9. You are removing the square, taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Root square will cancel x. Square root of 9, 3. Taking square root we get plus or minus. Now you should draw the interval. Least value minus infinitive, largest value plus infinitive. X value plus or minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. You take between values minus infinity to minus 3, you take one value minus 4. 4 minus 16 minus 12, numerator negative. Minus 3 to plus 3, you take one value 0. 0 square 0, 0 minus 9 minus 9. Denominator negative. 3 to infinity, I will take it for one value 4. 4 minus 16 minus 12. Numerator negative. So, therefore, domain equal to empty set or null set. I'll go into question number 8th one. Find the range of the function. Find the range of the function 1 by 2 cos 6 minus 1. Before I have given one hint. Range of cos 6 is minus 1 less than or equal to cos 6 less than or equal to 1. Cos the range is minus 1 to plus 1. What's the meaning of the range? Now cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 degree equal to 0, cos 180 degree equal to minus 1. Range means the largest value 1, the least value minus 1. So the range of cos x is least value minus 1, largest value 1. Then only minus 1 to plus 1. We know that range of cos x is minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. Cos x before 2 given, multiplying by 2. Minus 2 less than or equal to 2 cos x is less than or equal to 2. 2 cos x minus 1, subtracting minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 less than or equal to 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 less than or equal to 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. But see the question, 1 by 2 cos x minus 1, taking reciprocal on both sides. Taking reciprocal on both sides. Here taking reciprocal minus 1 by 3. Taking reciprocal 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Taking reciprocal 1. Taking reciprocal less than or equal to is automatically greater than or equal to less than or equal to automatically greater than or equal to. Now the least value is minus infinity. The largest value is plus infinity. Therefore, range equal to minus infinity comma minus 1 by 3 union 1 comma infinity. What is the meaning of this? This bracket least value minus infinity. So then only we can use this bracket. Largest value plus infinity. then only we can use this bracket. I'm going to ninth sum. Show that the relation xy equal to -2 is a function for a suitable domain. Find the domain and the range. Xy equal to -2, y equal to -2 by x. It is not a function. It is not a function because y is not defined at x equal to 0. Actually, what does that mean? Means y equal to -2 by x. X is 0 substituting. Then x is 0, y equal to -2 by 0. Any number by 0, infinitive, then only I write not defined. Therefore, domain equal to or minus x value 0, range equal to or minus 0. Thank you, children.